zombies. Well, you can come back. Come back. It's like, where'd the zombies go? You can't kill a ghost. Ghostbusters. There were no hands heard during the making of this film. But there were ghost hands. They died. Again! You are... Well, welcome. Welcome to Mocha again. Welcome to Mocha. Mocha. Remember, this is all a test. Okay, that was for real.
I ran. Where'd you go?
Oh God. Oh God, it's everywhere.
Our props are really shitty.
Lay off the donuts!
It's a fucking blanket. What?
Shh. Shh. Don't tell the world that. They don't need to know.
It's a blanket!
In other news, Prime Rib Roast is dead. Of Indonesia. Indonesia.
It's a real place.
Real lack of fish.
And for real news, 400 people fell into the atmosphere today due to the change of gravity. He's gonna take a twosies.
Much like Cory Crawford. Don't take twosies, New York. It seems our black co-host has arrived. His name is Phil Constantine. And he's abusive.
It's hot outside!
But remember, I am the white man. I do
Lay off the donuts, fatty!
KKK meeting tonight, guys. Under the lynching tree. Today.
It's weird how I'm the whitest one here and he's like, I'm white.
Do I bring my own cross?
Yes, you do.
I thought you were going to the bathroom.
I did go. That was me. Did you see that? Yo, here's the funny thing. I can multiply into two people. Watch.
Weather.
And today in the United States,
It's hot!
I'll die like this. You know what happens to people who defile the dead? They get zombied.
Fuck zombie! Fuck zombie! La la lulu! La la lulu! La la. Zombies don't play this game. No, drumstick! No! No!
Go the beast. Haha, color guard member.
Michael, up!
Zombie!
I found the key!
Zombie turtle.
Ew, he is taking twosies. It smells.
Oh, dude, are you serious? You don't come over to someone's house and immediately take a twosies. You wait an hour, let it settle, and then do it. Who twosies like 5 minutes into the trip?
But they walk out and like, oh, yeah, nothing smells. And they pull out the knives and they shoot at it and like, ah, and it shoots crap out of them behind me. Kills all of them.
Annoying.
Yeah, I know. I thought. She did it because I'm Jewish! Jew.
It's funny because the Holocaust.
I'm gonna name this racist video.
Holocaust! It's funny because of Hitler.
Racist video 1.
Booby.
I'm racist because I live in Lakeside. Yeah. And apparently, Lakeside people like to take it up the butt.
A lot of I gotta think about
I have 3 arms! Now I have 4. I am Goro! I am Goro! Oh. Dramatic death. Dramatic. Oh.
Kill the guard. Hey! No Mexican crowd.
Dramatic death, you gotta put your hand up! Wait, this is Cory's hand!
Kind of fat. Dramatic death! I'm still.
Well, I'm guessing. Wait, no, you're dead. You're dead.
I want my stick.
Well, kids of America, don't be racist. Or fat. Both will get you killed. Fast.
And Mexican.
That too.